Myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is basically the 43rd part of the PHP. In this, one of the person basically started thinking basically that can we create something beyond Oracle and SQL Server database algorithm. So first of all, before this basically we will connect to data warehousing. So PHP basically helps in data warehousing also basically. Lots of data warehousing basically stuff basically can be done that connects to the data science project basically. So data warehousing, data science both basically integrates. Here the database connection, database basically. So one person told that can we use PHP as a engine and Notepad as a database, and in PHP basically can we create some algorithm basically, and that algorithm will beat and can beat SQL Server and Oracle. The reason behind basically this, that I will tell. The reason is PHP is created from C and C++, and C and C++ basically can do anything. Any type of algorithm basically can be create and can be beat also basically. Can be create and can be beat also. So Oracle and SQL Server algorithm basically can be beaten by, or basically can be ahead basically by new design basically, which anybody basically can create this. That would be better basically, because algorithm basically can be created in. So in short basically PHP engine basically can beat Oracle engine and SQL Server engine. So PHP as a engine basically and Notepad as a database. So this connects to PHP engine basically. So like this basically, if anybody can create this, and algorithm basically how to create that basically everybody knows. Select star from table name. So from Notepad basically wherever basically you are storing the data, that data basically you have to extract as fast as possible. So that's basically connects to the algorithm only. How basically you stores the data into the Notepad basically. So entire data basically are storing into Notepad only, basically. By default basically when you open the Notepad, it basically shows in the form of binary format data basically. So in next video basically we are going to see.